This is a quick video on the two-factor ANOVA. A two-factor ANOVA is an analysis of variance test that determines the effect of two independent variables on a single dependent variable using these formulas. Of note, you not only get the effect of factor A and factor B, but the effect of the interaction between A and B on the dependent variable. To explain this farther, we're going to do a quick example problem with this data. We have material A, B, and C, and temperature 1570 and 125 degrees, and their effect on battery life. When you do a two-factor ANOVA in Excel, the first thing it'll spit out is these four little outputs, which are mainly used in calculating this, which is the important part. This output gives us the sum squares, degrees of freedom, MS, F statistic, and p-value. What we're mainly interested in is this p-value, which from which we can tell if the interaction between the independent variable and the dependent variable is statistically significant or not. If this value is less than 0.05 or whatever alpha level we set, then we can say that the interaction that the corresponding independent variable has, like materials temperature, or the interaction between materials and temperature has on the dependent variable, which is battery life, is statistically significant. In this case, all of these are less than 0.05, so all of them have a statistically significant interaction with the dependent variable, battery life. In engineering, the ability to not only see how two variables affect a dependent variable, but see how those variables interact to affect the dependent variable is going to prove invaluable in a number of cases. For example, when temperature and carbon affect the hardness of steel, there might be some different phases of steel going on at different temperatures and different carbon levels, which affect the hardness of steel ultimately. And then there might be some similar things going on with temperature and humidity versus the efficiency of an engine, or many other things. But anytime that you have two variables that you think could ultimately have an effect on a dependent variable, you're going to want to use a two-factor ANOVA. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.